This is my bike check for the Carefree BMX channel. Start at the back. Demolition 2.20 back tire. Odyssey V3 cassette. Where's the sticker? Odyssey 7K rim. Random spokes and BSD hubguard. Odyssey peg. Colt half link. Animal wedge seat post. Shadow fat seat. Got a United bottom bracket. Odyssey, I don't know, old ass cranks. Shadow metal pedals. Love them. It's deadly. I got claw stream forks. They're pretty sick. Another Odyssey peg. I got Animal Jump Off Remix stem. Primo headset, but I had to use a different cap because I don't know why, but my fork cap was cut and it was just this here fork cap smaller. Bottom bracket cap. Yeah. Odyssey parents. Can't go wrong with those. Colt D-Heart grips, I think. Best grips. Gotta get them. Colt leader bears. New sticker. Always gotta have the Carefree sticker, you know. The front Demolition 2.35 tire. Not very much room there. Primo drive side hubguard. I cut it all up to fit the front wheel. Another 7K rim. Primo N4 front hub. I think they're Primo spokes. I got McNeil valve caps too. Flip it over. Premium sprocket. I think I already said the chain. Colt half link. Oh, my friend. This is my new Feind Embryo. 21.75 inch top tube. I think the rear end's 13 inches. I'm not sure. Anyway, feels really good. I like it. Yeah. Oh, subscribe to this channel. Like us on Facebook. Carefree BMX. And, yeah. Oh, subscribe to me on YouTube, my personal account too. Kyle Johnson BMX. I'll put it in the description. Yeah. Them are just my pedals, and I'll give you a hub sound. I like my bike really quiet, so I have it all oiled up, so I guess it's not really that quiet anymore, but got a hop in it too. Yeah, I hate the back hub. Getting a Primo. Okay, bye.